Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting 2 players ready. Sign into separate accounts and attach both controllers. Make sure both machines or the single console have the same game version and any required DLC. Mismatched builds will block split screen. Once done, plug in headsets and choose your display. Use one screen for split or 2 TVs if supported. You do this because account sign-ins and identical builds establish the local co-op session and avoid matchmaking or content compatibility errors before you enter zombies. You now create the session. Have the host pick zombies and select the split screen or host lobby option, then have the second player press the join button shown on screen. Make sure player 2 accepts any controller or profile prompts so the game recognizes both players locally. Once both appear, configure loadouts, weapon slots, and set difficulty or public versus private settings. This matters because loadout conflicts or wrong matchmaking modes can change spawn rules and experience pacing for both of you. You finish by ensuring both player icons are highlighted and then press ready to launch the chosen zombies map. During early rounds, test voice and controller inputs. If you experience desync, missing audio, or one controller dropping, quit to the lobby, reconnect the controllers, sign profiles back in, and relaunch. This quick restart resolves most split-screen sync issues. If problems persist, switch to a private match to eliminate network interference, and make sure display split settings in options match your screen ratio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.